Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Presiden Rangba ke United Democratic Party uba Metbah Lingdo habaya keren bat kelar pathai khubor mentakasngi ke khanre tarik ujemang hadin ke jingelang penbam smai ukurtong kaseng uba senshar Lingdo ula ong ba umdon Jingtip ai halor ke jingke im Biang jong ke sengking atiar napo kathain garo ya kabala tip kum ke Garo National Liberation Army bat ong baga sarkar kadai ban wan shakmat ban tuklar halor kini ke sinjam kabala shim de kini ke Kynhun khnang bakanam kta ya ka roy ke keo jong ke Gnla badru bakanam kta ya ki kam yada hapo ke Gnla bat ka shongsuk shongsan.
No, there are reports already of Gnla raising its ugly head again. Yeah, Gnla raising its ugly head again. That means militancy returning again. There are reports. Okay. So, as a senior leader, what are your concerns?
See, these are what it appears as far as reports is concerned in India. I don't know exactly what is the truth of all these reports. I'm sure there might be something which is going on there, as appeared in the press. So I think the government has to step in, to take steps if such kind of initiatives have been taken from some section of groups, as this will affect the long-term development of the state, especially safety and security.